Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Dear students of class 10th, as you know that we have been discussing a lesson of your English book that is basically a short story, Boli, from last 5 or 6 days. And as you know that Boli is now going to be married with a old man, though he is a rich and is having his own house and is having some money in the bank. So Boli's parents they were overjoyed that their daughter, whose looks are not good, who is not so beautiful, is going to be married. They are very much enjoying this kind of moment, and we will see how Bishambar Nath is going to marry with Boli. So, dear students, Bishambar Nath was a well-to-do grocer. So, Bishambar Nath, a man who is going to be married with Boli, he was a well-to-do person. He was a very rich grocer. Grocer means सब्जियां जो उगाता है, वो बहुत ही अमीर किस्म का grocer था. He came with a big party of friends and relations with him for the wedding. So during the wedding, जब शादी हो रही थी, wedding means शादी, Bishambar Nath came with his friends, with his relations, with pomp and show. बड़ी धूमधाम के साथ वो अपनी बारात लेकर आ रहा था. A brass band playing a popular tune from an Indian film headed the procession. So a band was playing a tune from a very popular film, and processions were going on. उसके साथ हुजूम चल रहा था. Procession means हुजूम चल रहा था और बड़ी शान शौकत के साथ बैंड के साथ वो आ रहा था शादी के लिए. With the bridegroom riding a decorated horse, and the bridegroom means दुल्हन दुल्हा, he was on the horse. That horse has been decorated. वो horse जो है उसको बहुत ही सजाया गया था. Ramlal was overjoyed to see such a pomp and splendor. So Ramlal, father of Boli, he was very much overjoyed. He was very much pleased, happy that after seeing this kind of wedding is coming to his home with pomp and splendor. Splendor means with glory. Shan Shaukat ke saath. He had never dreamt that his fourth daughter would have such a grand wedding. And this Ramlal has never dreamt like that. He has never thought like that. His fourth daughter, who is not having good looks, her face is not so beautiful, and that would be married with such a great splendor. Boli's elder sister, who had come for the occasion, were envious of her luck. So Boli's elder sisters, who have been invited in this grand marriage, they, after seeing this kind of wedding is coming, this kind of marriage is going to be held, they were very much jealous. उनको थोड़ा हसद आ गया. They were very much envious. Envious means jealous of her luck. अपनी किस्मत को वो रो रही थी कि देखो हमारी चौथी बहन की शादी इस तरह शान शौकत से हो रही है. When the auspicious moment came, the priest said, "Bring the bride." So when this moment of marrying, in this moment of marriage, in auspicious moment means जब वो वक्त आ गया, वो मुबारक वक्त आया, auspicious means मुबारक वक्त आ गया, तो priest ने उनको बोला, पादरी ने उनको बोला, "Bring the bride." दुल्हन को ले आओ. Boli clad in a red silken bridal dress. Boli was she has put on a red silken bride dress. यानी दुल्हे का जो दुल्हन को जो ड्रेस पहना जाता है, रेड ड्रेस, उसी को वो लगाया गया था. Who led to the bride's place near the sacred fire. So that Boli was led to that place where the fire was. That was a pious fire, जो उनका वो मुकद्दस sacred means pious, जो उनका वो मुकद्दस आग होती है जिसके पीछे वो फेरे लेते हैं. Boli was led to that place. garlanded the bride, one of his friends prompted Bushambarnath. So Bushambarnath was provoked one of his friends that garland the bride, यानी दुल्हन को आप माला पहनाइए. बुशम्बरनाथ को किसी अपने दोस्त ने बोल दिया, प्रोवोक किया, प्रॉम्प्ट किया. प्रॉम्प्ट मीन्स प्रोवोक करना. The bridegroom lifted the garland of yellow marigold. Now bridegroom lift means take. He take in his hands the garland of yellow marigold. A woman slipped back the silken veil. Now woman took unveiled her means उसने अपना पर्दा जो थोड़ा सा हट उठाया बोली ने from the bride's face. Bushambarnath took a quick glance and Bushambarnath looked at her. Glance means look. He had a very quick look. The garland remained poised in his hand. When he saw the face of Boli, his garland remained in his hands. That was poised, not moving. He not moved his garland after seeing the face of this Boli. The bride slowly pulled down the veil over her face, and bride means Boli. He slowly pulled down means he slowly fall down her veil. जो पर्दा उसका था, veil means पर्दा, उसने फिर से वो पर्दा अपने चेहरे पर डाल दिया. Have you seen her? said Bushambarnath to the friend next to him. So Bushambarnath, after seeing the face of the Boli, he told his friend, he said his friend that have you seen the face of this bride? Have you seen her face? क्या आपने उसके चेहरा देख लिया? She was pock marks. She has pock marks on her face. She is having pock marks means black marks on her face. उसके चेहरे पर काले दाग हैं. So what? You are not young either. You are not young either. His friend told him. So what is the matter? She is having this pock mark. She is having the black marks on her face. What is the matter? You are not so young. आप भी तो जवान नहीं हो. Maybe, but if I am to marry her, her father must give me 5,000 rupees. So Bushambarnath said to his friend that maybe I am not a young person, but he will marry with this kind of girl after receiving rupees 5,000. अगर मुझे 5,000 रुपया ये देते हैं तब मैं इसके साथ शादी करूँगा. Ramlal went and placed his turban, his honor, at Bushambarnath's feet. After listening this kind of approach from Bushambarnath, Ramlal was so much shocked and he placed his turban. उसने अपना जो turban उसका था, उसकी जो टोपी थी, वो पगड़ी थी, he put his this पगड़ी, this turban, this is the honor, क्योंकि ये जो इज्जत होता है, टोपी इस इंसान की पगड़ी इज्जत होती है. He put this honor under the feet of Bushambarnath. Do not humiliate me so. Do not insult me. Hey Bushambarnath, please don't insult me. Don't humiliate me. मुझे शर्मंदा मत करो यहाँ पर इस बड़ी जमात में. Take 2,000 rupees. He will give him 2,000 rupees. वो उसको 2,000 रुपया दोगे. No 5,000 or we go back. Keep your daughter. So Bushambarnath told Ramlal that no, he don't accept that. You have to pay him rupees 500, otherwise we will leave the function. Be a little considerate, please. Be a little kind. Considerate means kind. Be a very little thoughtful. Be a very little thoughtful. थोड़ा सा सोचो यार. Please, if you go back, अगर आप वापस जाओगे, I can never show my face in the village. How can he means Ramlal show his face to the people of the village? उसकी इज्जत जो है मिट्टी में मिल जा रही है. Then out with 5,000. Then you have to pay rupees 5,000 to the Bushambarnath. Tears streaming down his face, Ramlal went in, opened the safe. So tears were rolling down. Streaming means rolling down from his face. उसके चेहरे से आंसू गिर रहे थे. And Ramlal went inside the room, opened the safe, and he opened his treasure safe and counted out the notes. And he counted the notes which were in the safe. He placed the bundle at the bridegroom's feet. Now he placed the bundle of rupees at the bridegroom's feet, at the Bishambarnath's feet. On Bishambarnath's greedy face appeared a triumphant smile. And Bishambarnath was a greedy person. He was a very much eager and appeared a triumphant smile. He appeared on his face and trumped. So Bishambarnath was a very greedy person, and a victorious smile appeared on his face. यानी एक जैसे उसने कुछ जीत लिया, इस किस्म की जो स्माइल थी उसके चेहरे पर आ रही थी. He had gambled and won. Now he says that he had gambled. मैंने गैम्बल किया है, मैंने जुआ खेला है, एंड मैंने जीत लिया. एंड he won. Give me the garland, he announced. Now he told them, give him the garland. मुझे अब garland दीजिए. उसने announce कर दिया. Once again the veil was slipped back from the bride's face. So after that the veil was the cover was means Bohli was uncovered. यानी उसको जो फिर से पर्दा हटाया गया उसके चेहरे से. But this time her eyes were not downcast. But at that time the Bohli was not looking down. Downcast means looking downwards. She was not looking at that time downwards. She was looking up. Bohli was looking up. She was looking up. वो ऊपर देख रही थी. Looking straight at her prospective husband. She was looking very much straight to her husband. Prospective husband means luckily to happen. जो उसके साथ शादी होने वाली है उस हस्बैंड की तरफ वो देख रही, आंखें मिलाकर उसके साथ उसको देख रही थी. एंड हर आइज in her eyes, उसकी आंखों में there was neither anger nor hate. So in her eyes, उसके आंखों में there was neither anger, ना गुस्सा था ना नफरत थी. Only contempt, only dislike. She only had in her eyes dislike. She couldn't like Bishambarnath. So I think this is sufficient for today. So after that, tomorrow we will inshallah complete the whole lesson. And today you will see how this greedy and how greedy this Bishambarnath is. He's मौके का फ़ायदा उठा रहा है. He's and he उसने क्या नाम है इसका रामलाल के मौके का फ़ायदा उठाया और उसको 5,000 रुपये का मतलब डावरी के लिए उसको बोला कि अगर आप 5,000 रुपया मुझे डावरी देते हैं तब मैं आपकी बेटी के साथ शादी करूँगा, because she is not so beautiful. So here are some words. You can see the meaning of these words. Thank you. Have a nice day.